let's move on. What page are we on? What are we on today? 16, we're doing good. All right, so if you took my class last summer, or not, last holiday break, I skipped this, but he started putting it on the tests, okay? So I am gonna talk about this one. I almost skipped it, but I remember that he started showing it again. All right, you will notice, the first thing you need to notice is that this is a multiple of this, yeah? And this is a multiple of this. And you will also notice that it's a multiple of a square, right? So you can say 8 times 4 makes 32, right? And look at this one. 5 times 9 makes 45. And 4 and 9 are squares. And that's going to be important in a minute, okay? Okay, so here's what you do. You're first going to take the 32 and you're going to divide it by the 8. You're going to get 4. You're going to square root that, okay? You're going to square root that, and that's going to be 2. Now this is where it gets tricky. You're going to add 1 to it and square it again. So 2 plus 1 is 3, squared is 9, okay? 9 gets multiplied by the original number. And this is a hard trick, okay? But it's way easier than trying to actually do the algebra to simplify it. I'm gonna do this a few times, so give me a second before you ask questions, okay? So, all right, so let me back up. Let me do it one more time. Mic's off for a minute, please, everybody. Who's mic's off? Whoever it was, thank you, whoever did that. All right, so here's what I do. First, I notice that that's a multiple of that. 8's a multiple of, 32 is a multiple of 8. So I do 32 divided by 8 is 2. So I do 32 divided by 8 is 4. Then I square root that, I get 2, and I add 1. And I get 3. Then I square that. So I square rooted it, then I square it, and I get 9. Then I do 9 times 8 is 72. And that's what number you're going to be, that's what number gets square rooted, 72. All right, let me do it again. Ready? And there's a lot of steps, but there's like a rhythm to it, so it's not too hard, okay? Okay, so first I do 45 divided by 5 is 9. Square rooted is 3. Add 1 to it is 4. Square that is 16. 16 gets multiplied by 5. So what is that? 80, I think? Yeah, double half that, 80. Yeah, 80. Okay, how did I do that again? I did 45 divided by 5 is 9. I square rooted it, I got 3. I add 1 to it, and then I square that. So I get 3 plus 1 is 4, squared is 16. 16 gets multiplied by the 5, and I get 80. All right. It's not necessarily hard, but there's a lot of steps, yeah? The math is easy usually.